In this quick guide, I'll show you how to share documents and files during your Livestorm webinars so you can engage with your audience more effectively and professionally. Whether you're hosting a business meeting or a live event, knowing how to share your material seamlessly can make all the difference. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to share any type of document, from presentations to PDFs, in just a few simple steps. First off, Livestorm makes it easy to share documents with your webinar participants in real time. All you need to do is use their built-in file sharing feature. When you're in your Livestorm event, look for the Share Screen button. You can use this to show your screen, but there's also a specific option to share files. Once you click on the Share option, you'll have a pop-up window that lets you choose your document. This could be a PDF, a Word doc, a PowerPoint slide, or anything else you need to show your participants. When you select your file, it gets displayed right within the webinar. You can either choose to show your entire screen or just the file you're presenting. This ensures that your audience is focused on what matters most. Livestorm also lets you upload files directly to the webinar interface, allowing your participants to download the materials as well. You just need to click on the Upload a File option, and it's as simple as dragging and dropping the file from your computer. You'll then be able to share it with your attendees, and they can access it at any time during the session. It's a smooth and efficient way to ensure your audience has all the resources they need. One of the best features of Livestorm is its ability to share these documents without interrupting the flow of your presentation. You can switch between different documents or even jump back to your webcam view with just a few clicks. It's all about keeping the focus on what you're presenting while offering flexibility in how you share your content. Another tip to improve your document sharing game is using Livestorm's agenda feature. By integrating your documents with the event agenda, you can easily keep track of what materials will be shared and when. This ensures that everyone stays on track and knows exactly when to expect the next set of documents. Now, if you're new to Livestorm, you can use this software completely for free. Make sure to check out the first link below, where you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses that can enhance your webinar experience even further. Livestorm's simplicity combined with these extra features makes it one of the best choices for online presentations, and you don't want to miss out on these special offers. Finally, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive extended free trial we've got for you. You can explore all of Livestorm's capabilities without any risk. If you're serious about hosting impactful webinars and sharing your documents effortlessly, this is the perfect opportunity to jump in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.